Hi! Today I am sharing with you pasta-style macaroni. It is very easy to make and also delicious. Add 2 TBSP flour in hot oil. I add 1 TBSP oil. Mix it well. Add milk to 150 megaliter. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. A pinch of salt. Mix it well. Add boiled pasta. Cook pasta for 2 minutes on low flame. I add 2 TBSP oil in pan. And after 2 minutes, add boneless chicken. Add chopped capsicum and carrot. Mix it. Add masala mix sachet. Then add some water. Mix it. Add chili sauce 1 TBSP. Soy sauce 1 TBSP. Cool for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add them in pasta. Now your pasta is ready. Wow! Looks so delicious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel.